Welcome back to 30 Days of Saying Nice Things to Ourselves. Now today is day 1, and I just want to preface this for anyone who has not been a part of this journey. We are going to transform the rest of our 2023 by saying kind things to ourselves and challenging our limiting beliefs. And you're here with me every single day. I may not always be all this dressed up, but every single day we're going to wake up and start our day by saying wonderful things to ourselves and just moving forward. And we're going to keep the comment section hopeful and positive. And as we grow together and challenge our limiting beliefs, hopefully we start to see the changes. Not even hopefully, we're going to see the changes. We're going to see abundance enter our lives and all the things that we desire enter our lives. And I just want to say, I wish you love. Whether you see 1 video, 2 videos, share it with a friend. This is about keeping hope alive and just finding new ways to find joy in the everyday, the mundane, the normal, because sometimes it feels like we're not growing when we really are. This is our season of change and transition, and we're stepping into a literal new season. It's fall, baby. It's fall, but we rising up. It's our time to shine, and I cannot wait to see how these next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, however long you want to be here. I'm going to be here for a very long time, okay? However long you want to be here, I'm here with you. And I encourage you to keep going. Even if you fall off, keep going. Even if you feel like, oh, this doesn't make any sense, this is nonsense. This is for you and you alone. And by me sharing my limiting beliefs and what I want to work on and being vulnerable, I pray that it inspires you to do the same. To challenge what you feel is and is stuck. It's not. It's moving. Oh, not the airplane. That's a good sign for me. But I challenge you to think differently, think big, go home, okay? We're in this together, and I'm with you every single day. I start my mornings by journaling 3 pages. You can start your mornings that way. Journaling, speaking to ourselves. If you want to just repeat after me, beautiful, love that. We can make it an affirmation challenge, but whatever is going to help you to start thinking and help to shift your perspective, even just the repetition of it all is magic. So I invite you to continue with me on this journey, as today is the first day. I hope you use that full moon to release whatever you got, baby, because we coming in hot, okay? I will talk to you tomorrow, and I'm trying to figure out if there's anything else I want to say. I already did what I had to do today, so tomorrow we're coming in hot. So today's just the introduction video, but spending that time, even if it's 10 minutes out of your day with me, saying positive things to yourself, it's going to make a difference. It's made a difference for me already with doing it once, and I can't wait to keep doing it over and over and over, to get so in sync that you cannot go a day without clicking on one of these videos. Okay? Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow bright and early.